Yo guys,
What's up, guys?
yo guys.
So today I'm playing my game. I just released it, and I'm planning to do a update after a week or so, cause I already did update by launching the game. So this is the whole game. We need to make it to the end, guys, and link in the description for this game. So today we will try to get the highest score, but my highest score is 4000. I left and joined because it was a little buggy, like always all games do like that. So let's begin going to our high score. Okay guys, by the way, these are jump pads and zombies are also there, so
Yeah guys, so
I'll show you how zombies look.
it's bit tricky also cause it's too fast for you and these bombs also comes in.
See, we need to jump over them. If we hit them, we'll oof. Okay guys, oof mean we'll die.
Again.
Oh, I thought I crushed the zombie. Like KO. Zombies right here, I think so. Jump, and there is a parkour down there also.
And guys, if you guys like this game a lot, please, I don't know if he'll put some game passes, but please don't forget to buy it cause maybe he'll put the admin one, I don't know.
I already put it admin. But I don't know how it works, guys.
You have already owned it.
I know.
It's all for some coding.
Oof.
It's a bit laggy also.
Sorry guys, it's laggy cause I've been in game for like 2-3 hours.
And if you guys actually want this game to get hit, then maybe he can change it.
Please give it a like and
Yeah.
don't dislike it, please. And join it also cause I get more playing views. And if you guys want, I can join you whenever you play this game, cause I will play it every day.
Maybe.
Oh,
And
that
my
was a
God.
bug.
And
That
when-
was a bug.
And whenever you guys whenever you guys like the now's light goal will be 50 likes, guys. Let's see if we can hit 50 likes.
Yeah, 50 likes.
And we will get Robux then.
Guys, I'll show you a quick hint of our next update. So see. Okay, you saw right, guys. Oh, I hate.
And I don't know if I will be the developer of this game because I've not even done anything.
Jump.
Nina, can you put me the developer of
Like you done like something. You can't code also.
this dude? Please.
Yeah, you just want to be a developer and show off I'm the dev.
No.
Right?
I don't know how to make games. I want somebody to help me. And Broxton David is not even doing it.
Oh, that is lag. Guys, let me just rejoin, please. Oh no, I showed a lot of things.
Oops.
Guys, link in the description of this
So
game.
50 people can play the game, okay?
And the VIP service not that costly, like 20 is okay. Or if you guys want, there's put the comments like hashtag 1 Robux, hashtag 10 Robux. I can't put it free, guys, cause I can't.
But if you guys hit 1000 likes on this, so maybe free. Right?
Yeah,
1000, guys.
maybe. Guys, I'm rejoining cause it's a bit laggy cause I've been in this game for like 4 hours or
Yeah,
so.
definitely 4 hours.
It
2
begins.
hours.
And my total score is 4000. My sister also saw it.
Yeah, it was 3978, I think. Yeah, but it was still counted
Oh man,
as 7000. I mean
4000.
4000. Never mind.
Because it was like 9 also now. 987.
Yeah.
I can't run while I'm talking. Jump you.
Can I do it, please?
Okay, do.
Okay, guys. So controlling it right now. And
Oh, you are a noob.
that's not even true.
Yeah.
But no problem.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I think this is so hard. Like for me, it is hard at least.
But you can even cheat because you have admin, I think.
No, I can't.
See if you can fly. Because whenever you make game passes, so you will have them.
I can't chat also.
What?
I removed chat because it's too it's distracting when people chat and
But people who want to chat, then what they will do?
add them on Discord. Easy. I'm too laggy.
But if they don't have Discord, then
My internet is already laggy. Get on the pressure plate. Guys, and this is done by I did it, but I'll add few developers in the game to do updates and stuff.
But I also need to. I know definitely not. He will not put me a developer because I don't know how to.
I'll
do
put
coding.
blocks developer, Nagamer
Now,
developer.
gamer don't know how to do. He just know how to make shorts.
Yeah.
But blocks.
Because its name is Na. So it's Na.
Yeah, that's
1000 total score till now. It's too hard for me, guys, and just like link in the description. And if you see that you guys won you got to the end of the parkour, just send me a link, just send me a photo, take a screenshot and send me a photo of it in
Discord.
the Discord, and the Discord link in the description and the game link also in the description.
And guys, if you guys are pro in hobbies, then you definitely have millions of chances to win.
Yeah, guys, I'm not that pro in this in hobbies. I was a pro, but I stopped playing hobbies.
He was pro in Tower of Hell and by that hobbies, and now I'm a pro in Tower of Hell. It always happens like that when you don't have enough practice. And guys, if you like this game, like, we are so happy for you guys for entertainment, guys, because if we give you entertainment, then comment down below how much of time I have literally told entertainment.
Guys, now the game is end. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe it, and I will see you all guys next time. Peace out, peeps.